Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to take high-resolution screenshots using Firefox. No extensions needed. First, open Firefox Developer Tools. Press F12 or right-click anywhere and select Inspect. Next, go to the Console tab. This is where the magic happens. Type this command, screenshot DPR3 full page. Then press Enter. Firefox will save a full-page screenshot at 3x the normal resolution. You can adjust the quality by changing the DPR value. That's the device pixel ratio. For example, try DPR2 for medium quality or DPR4 for super high res. Want to capture only the visible area? Just take out full page from the command. And that's it. A simple way to get super sharp screenshots using only Firefox. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more web tutorials. Thanks for watching.